Yam, sweet potato.
Yam, man.
Yam, plantain, sweet potato.
Wicked. Sounds Ital.
Straight Ital. Yeah.
Full boat.
Mm-hmm.
Think we need some energy after that hike today. It'd be wicked.
Yeah.
Hey!
Okay. So apple come before so apple.
Apple.
Songa, you find them?
Is that the flower from the apple tree?
Yeah.
Apple flower. This is a good one. You can just throw it in the pot, let her go.
Whatever can trust when I'm cooking.
Watch it. Where you come from, Mr. Boy? No, I how come I cut up here now?
And I see you've been
Mokko and what do you call it?
cauliflower, is it?
Cauliflower and cabbage and okra.
Straight Ital stuff. Wicked.
Yes, sir. Without the violin there, you know? Maybe cooking I don't know yet.
It's a mystery. We'll find out soon.
Yeah.
The vegetarians are gonna love this one.
Yeah, man.
Did you guys grow okra when you're living in there?
Yes, man. All they know, man. I go plant up this year, man. I have no seed, I have to go cook it up this year.
I don't think I've ever seen the plant.
I go plant up this year, man. No cooking okra. I plant it down for all a while, enough me have to get it away, brother. Can't manage them. Especially if I plant them in September. Oh, be a wicked man.
Nice.
Now sit down and I'm cheer them and birthday again, you know. Then I cut them and no people say they like how me prepare it too, you know.
Right, come here.
Classic.
No. The man does spider Ratty, no?
No, take them out, you know. No trouble.
Come out here. Don't spin around that old one there, boy.
I see some magical spice.
Not just spice, man. Not just spice.
Come on. Go on. Hey, Gallo. Oh, boy, don't rap with me, man. Go on, man. Man, looking at me, yeah.
Hey, boy.
Go on, go sit down, man. Go sit down.
You know you're Ratty. There's the people in here that do the fuck with. Not throw nothing out there for nobody, man. What you do? Go and do it, go on over.
I love how it's become Pomodoro. Big up to my Italian neighbors. Big up Vincenzo and Loretta. Every time. Fresh.
That's a fresh vegetable and thing, you know. Tomato, cabbage, okra.
Does this one have a name?
What?
The dish.
That's it.
No?
Not special.
It's just a mix of whatever you got
mix
around.
up what you have, pure vegetable. And then look at what you have pure vegetable is.
You know what we should call it? Just because it has a nice ring to it. What if we called it the Tony Rebel?
Tony Rebel, the fresh vegetable.
Yeah. Love you like a fresh vegetable. Now tell me if you love Tony Rebel.
Yeah. can eat it raw
Yeah.
too. Yeah, fresh vegetable.
I wonder, does he still do shows around, Tony Rebel? He's still around?
I have no clue, brother.
Me neither, brother. I don't know. We were talking about favorite bands today that we've ever seen. And I was saying one I haven't seen yet that I want to is Barrington Levy. So, you ever seen that guy around here? No.
But no first time I hear him perform at some places.
Yeah, he seems to still do a lot of shows. And I think he even has a radio station called Black Rose FM. And you can even download an app for it. You just get it on your phone. One of my favorites.
Wow.
Or it kind of steams in there.
You got steam, Matthew. Steam.
Alright, sounds healthy.
Yeah, man. That's straight steam and I go do your name and stuff. Right,
Steaming up Tony Rebel.
yeah. You love Tony Rebel.
Bless up, Junior.
Eh?
Bless.
Yeah, man.
Bless you.
Oh, you catch that. You catch.
That was a good one.
Alright, sir.
Alright. I love these.
Cabbage.
Yeah, like they're mini cabbage in Jamaica, but they taste so much better.
Better, eh?
When you're younger, sweeter.
Sweet one. Nice, Matthew.
Yeah, man.
When them the cabbage you get, where them a come from?
When we get them, I have no idea. Canada's kind of strange. We just get stuff from everywhere. There's a lot less local stuff than you get in Jamaica. I think we grow it in Canada though too. Pretty good. But-
Right, move.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. Steaming business. Some more. Steam him out, you know. Boil him out, cause the thing have to cook good, eh? When I done with him in soft out, you know, I put more water in him, eh? Yes, sir. Right, good stuff, man. Right, good stuff around here. But you know what?
What?
You see that boil, so? No water on the that side. That side is not boil up, you know? See what I mean?
Oh, it's kind of leaning.
No, look, up on that side of the fire there, you see that?
Yeah.
I blaze on it so I boil. It's a boil, man.
Perfect.
But you know what now? You want to move them? I will move them and one and down and so. I will pick it down and so.
You drying out your dreads after swimming today?
I wash it late, yeah?
Yeah. Need some more time.
So that's what the cut are dry now, it can't get breeze, but the morning tomorrow I have to lose it again, like, you know?
Yeah.
See it now, Matthew? On that side, I know I get fire, it start to bubble up on that side, yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just getting more and more.
But on that side, that means keep the fire, yeah?
Yeah.
So somebody do cook and get someone do it fucked up.
That's pretty good. One stick and you got it perfectly even.
Yeah, man. Come on, that's where you are.
You're causing all kinds of
No
trouble.
walk, Lisa. Just a minute. We'll walk on it, Bamulka.
Okay. Watch yourself on that busted fence.
What that in there, bro?
Yeah, that's my attention for you. Never go looking in.
Cook it down, you know? Boil it make it soft, eh?
ice water.
Okay, go on.
So Jah Cure's been mentioning us in the Instagram. Yeah, inspiring him to do some cooking. He's throwing up some cooking clips on his Instagram. It's pretty wicked. He's always going big up Ra's kitchen.
Indian cooking too?
Yeah, he's doing some cooking shots. I have a couple saved on my phone. I'll have to show you. So big up Jah Cure every time.
Yeah.
Come on, big up Jah Cure every time.
Every time.
So we know one Rasta, man. Team one man, man. Come on.
Yeah, respect that.
Respect. Respect to Jah Cure. Where's the other cooking show? Chronicle.
You know what? Chronics might do one too. I heard something about that.
Everybody knows like that, you know? Yeah, cabbage. Shit. No, I forgot something, you know, man. Something missing.
What? What's that?
Garlic.
Ah.
Now they have to have garlic.
Gotta have it. You save this for special occasions, I know.
You go and cook with it, brother. Yes, sir. Olive oil.
Hell yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
That's what we are doing right now. Pure natural stuff, eh? Good.
Extra virgin too.
Yeah,
The
virgin,
goods.
man.
That's the
Virgin
good stuff.
man. Virgin stuff.
Virgin oil and virgin herb. Yeah.
Yeah, virgin everything, man.
Left the puppy, man.
Wait, you look and I say, wow. Yeah.
You never seen Tony Rebel stew down like this.
No.
Steam down.
He's big and serious, right?
I was just going for it now too.
And the virus sucking at it, you know though. Yes, sir. And the virus in our body.
Woo, hot.
Not,
Oh, yeah.
good.
That's excellent. Coming along.
Come along, right?
Coming along. That is tastes done to me.
Put the table outside. Our food business, you know.
Watch it from the man on the mayo. Boy, you don't.
Tony Rebel steamed vegetable.
Fresh vegetable.
Cabbage, okra, cauliflower, garlic, tomato, aka pomodoro, and then we got boiled yam, sweet potato, plantain. Did I get it all?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Bon appetit. Oh man. So good. It always tastes better too after hiking a whole day and swimming in waterfalls and working hard. So Give it a taste.
Love and education are the key. I tell you, love and education are the key.
Yo, Ras Mokko, just YouTube, man. Now they man right to the brother, him full of speech, man. Him I think you're Ras Kitchen on Instagram. Ras Mokko, big up yourself, and you will chat, man. Now come check it tomorrow. More here, I'm a video for Bennett. Big. Ras Mokko, I see you yesterday, the flitters them fail, but I watched them. So I see I will. Ras Kitchen. We're forward a center master and check on it either today or tomorrow. You're Sunny Hill. Expect me. We'll come out there from...